Welcome to Recipes for You. In today's video, we're sharing a simple yet powerful homemade hair growth recipe using all natural ingredients. Say goodbye to expensive salon treatments and hello to healthier, stronger, and faster growing hair. Stay tuned for step-by-step instructions and some amazing tips that will transform your hair care routine. For this, you will need potatoes of approximately this size. First, you will carefully peel these potatoes. So, after peeling all the potatoes, don't throw away the peels. Put them aside. I will show you what we will do with these peels. This hair mask is great for strengthening and promoting hair growth. Potatoes are full of nutrients such as vitamins B and C, as well as iron, which nourish hair follicles and help stimulate hair growth. The starch in potatoes helps thicken and strengthen hair strands, making your hair thicker and stronger. Now, let's move on to preparing a hair mask that promotes hair growth. Put the potato peels in a saucepan and pour water over them. Now I will grate the potatoes with a fine grater, and I will also tell you more about the beneficial properties of potatoes for your hair. In addition to vitamins and minerals, potatoes contain antioxidants that protect the scalp and hair from damage caused by free radicals and external factors such as pollution and ultraviolet rays. This helps maintain a healthy hair structure and prevents premature aging of the hair. Potato juice also has cleansing properties, helping to remove excess oils and impurities from the scalp, allowing hair follicles to breathe better and promoting faster hair growth. This is especially beneficial for those with an oily scalp, as potatoes help regulate sebum production, making hair less greasy. It is also worth noting that potatoes moisturize the scalp, preventing dryness and itching, which can lead to dandruff. Regular use of a potato mask helps improve blood circulation in the scalp, which promotes more active hair growth. Now that you have grated the potatoes, we need to extract all the juice using a small piece of cheesecloth for the next step of the procedure. These two ingredients, the potato puree and the extracted juice, will be used in the next step. The potato puree will help nourish and strengthen the hair, while the juice provides deep hydration to the scalp. Together, they work perfectly to promote healthy hair growth and improve hair texture. It's amazing how simple natural ingredients like potatoes can provide such powerful benefits for our hair, isn't it? Have you tried any other natural remedies for your hair before? Now I have squeezed almost all the juice from the grated potatoes, and now I will add 1 egg yolk and a teaspoon of natural honey. This mask does wonders for your hair. Egg yolks are packed with proteins, fatty acids, and vitamins like A and E that deeply moisturize and condition your hair, making it soft, shiny, and easier to style. It also strengthens your hair. Both potatoes and egg yolks contain proteins that help in repairing and strengthening weak or damaged hair, preventing breakage and damage. Using this mask regularly will make your hair stronger and healthier. Now I will boil the potato peels. The potato broth will also be used to strengthen the hair. Let it cool to room temperature and then strain it through a sieve. We won't need the peels anymore, so you can throw them away. Pour the broth into a spray bottle for easy use. Now, let's talk about why potato peel broth is a real treasure for your hair. This broth nourishes the scalp and improves blood circulation, which promotes faster hair growth. It also helps to get rid of dullness and gives your hair a healthy shine. You can even use it daily, just spray it on your roots and enjoy the benefits. So, this simple and accessible broth can replace many expensive products. Now let's move on to the grated potatoes. Transfer it to a bowl, add the egg whites and a little natural honey. Mix everything with a hand blender until smooth. This mixture can be applied to your hair, covered with a shower cap or plastic wrap for 20 to 30. After that, wash your hair as usual. The result? Your hair becomes softer, healthier, and stronger. The mask is ready. Look how soft and flexible it is, perfect for applying to your hair. Now you can apply it with confidence along the entire length of your hair. Within a few days, you will notice how softer and shinier your hair has become. This treatment nourishes and strengthens your hair from within, making it healthier and stronger. The 3 masks, potato puree with egg whites, and simple potato peel broth, improves the structure, strength, and appearance of your hair. And the best part? They are made from all natural ingredients with no chemicals. First recipe: quickly thicken your hair using natural ingredients that you probably already have at home. You'll need 8 to 10 bay leaves. These are great for promoting hair growth and reducing dandruff. Crush them with your hands to release their natural oils, enhancing their effectiveness. Put the crushed bay leaves in a jar, preparing them for the next steps. Now, add 2 tablespoons of cloves. Cloves are known for their rich antioxidants and scalp-stimulating properties. Grind them using an electric grinder to ensure they're fine and easily absorbed in the oil. Add the ground cloves to the jar along with the bay leaves, creating a powerful mixture for your hair. Next, you'll need 4 to 5 sprigs of fresh rosemary. Rosemary improves circulation and promotes hair growth. Pour in 150 milliliters of olive oil, which serves as a nourishing base, rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Place a small piece of cloth at the bottom of a pot to protect the jar from direct heat. Put the jar into the pot, then fill the pot with water, ensuring the jar is partially submerged. Boil the water over low heat for 30 minutes. This process helps infuse the oil with all the natural goodness from the ingredients. After boiling, let the oil cool down before handling the jar. Be patient to avoid burns. Once cooled, filter the oil through a sieve to remove the solid ingredients, leaving you with a smooth, potent oil. Apply the oil generously to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots for maximum benefit. Leave the oil on your hair for 30 minutes to allow it to deeply nourish your scalp and hair. After the treatment, wash your hair as usual using your favorite shampoo. You'll feel the difference. For best results, apply this oil twice a week. Consistency is key to seeing long-term benefits. Store the remaining oil in a cool, dark place, where it will keep for up to 6 months, ready for your next use. Just spray this on your scalp for 2 days. And watch your hair come back to life. It's like pressing restart on your hair growth. This isn't just a home remedy, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to hair fall and hello to fuller, thicker, stronger hair. Onions are rich in sulfur, which nourishes the scalp and stimulates new hair follicles to grow. Slice the onion into small, even pieces so it releases all its nutrients. Onions also strengthen hair roots, reducing hair fall and promoting thicker strands. Now take 3 cloves of garlic, a secret weapon for hair regrowth. Peel the garlic carefully, we're going to harness its powerful compounds. Garlic increases blood flow to the scalp, helping weak areas regrow hair naturally. Chop the garlic into small slices for maximum effect. It's especially effective in stimulating growth in bald spots. Now combine the onion and garlic slices in a small pot. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee, it strengthens hair and enhances shine. Pour in 1 full cup of water. Let this powerful blend simmer over low heat for 5 minutes. Once cooled, strain the mixture to remove the solids. And here it is. Your homemade hair growth spray is ready to use. Transfer it into a clean spray bottle for easy application. Let's talk about how to use this effectively. Spray directly on your scalp, making sure to cover all thinning areas. Gently massage your scalp for 2 full minutes to boost absorption. Cover your head with a shower cap or wrap it in plastic. Leave it on for 2 hours, then wash it out with your regular shampoo. For visible results, repeat this remedy twice a week. Within days, your hair will grow non-stop, thicker and fuller than ever. Now for the second recipe, take 1 tablespoon of raw rice. Add 1 cup of clean water to the pot. Let it boil gently for about 5 minutes. Strain the rice and keep only the water. Now add a teaspoon of instant coffee and mix well. Stir until everything blends smoothly. How to use it? Let me show you. Apply it exactly like recipe, 1 spray, massage, cover, wait, and rinse. Choose either recipe, they're both powerful. Just stay consistent. From week 1, your hair fall will reduce dramatically. And within weeks, your hair could grow 3x faster than before. Let's connect. Drop a comment below and tell me which country you're watching from. I'd love to know where my amazing viewers are tuning in from. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful natural remedies every week. See you in the next video.